Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Wix website. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on the dashboard of the website that I want to delete. So the first thing you need to do is make sure to unpublish your site first before you delete it. So scroll down in here on your left sidebar and you should be able to see in here under the settings right here, you should be able to see things right here. So click on this website settings. Under that, you can see that the site is published. So click on the unpublish right here in order to unpublish your site. So in here, this will load like this. And once it's done loading, it will unpublish your site directly from the Wix dashboard. So in here, as you can see, the site has been unpublished. So the next thing we need to do right now is to head over in here and click on the name of our website. So click on that and then click on go to all sites. This will open all the websites that you have on Wix. So in here, once you have seen all your websites, you can just locate the website that you want to delete. For me, I'll just need to delete this one. So just click on this three dots right here, which is the site actions. Under that, you can click on this move to trash. And we'll click on move to trash right here. So as you can see, the trash sites will be kept in trash for 90 days. And as you can see right here, once the 90 days is up, it will be deleted for eternity. So click on move to trash. And then once it's been moved to trash, we'll click on trash right here. You can see in here the website that we have moved to trash in here, which is this one. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to delete website on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. Peace.